Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can vibe code completely for free inside Cursor, and I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to open Cursor, and here you can see terminal option. So you need to click on terminal, and here you can see new terminal. So we're going to click here new terminal. So it will open the terminal over here. So after opening the terminal, what you need to do is that you need to go to your browser, and in the browser you need to search for OpenCode. Press enter, and here you need to look for opencode.ai. Here you can see. So you need to go to this link opencode.ai. After that, here you can see npm option. So you need to click on npm and you need to copy this command. So after copying this command, you need to go back to your Cursor, and in the terminal you need to paste the command npm i-g opencode.ai. So it will install OpenCode globally in your system. So right now we are going to press enter, and it will start installing OpenCode inside Cursor, and it will only take a few seconds to install. And there you can see installation is complete. So when the installation is complete, you can just close this. And right now let's go and build a project using OpenCode. So right now I'm just going to click on file, then click here open folder. So let me just create a empty folder. So I'm going to right click here, click here new folder. Let's say the folder name will be VibeCode. You can name the folder anything. So I'll just select this folder, then click here select folder. So this folder will be open inside Cursor. So right now what you need to do is that here we're going to click on terminal, then click here new terminal again, and I can just close this. And here, since OpenCode is installed in our system, so right now what you need to do is that we just need to mention over here OpenCode in the terminal, then press enter. So what will happen is that it will open the OpenCode interface over here. You can see. So here you can see build mode. So if you now click on tab, it will go to the plan mode. So if you just give a simple prompt and press enter, it will generate a plan for us. And in the build mode, it will automatically directly start creating file and writing code for us. Okay. And here, if I just say here slash models and press enter, you will see a lot of free model available over here. So here you can see VibeCode Minimax. So currently Minimax is the best free model. So VibeCode is also good as well. So I'll recommend Minimax M2.5. So let me just give a simple prompt. Let's say here build me a simple Flappy Bird game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and press enter. Okay, this model is not supported. Okay, let me just choose different model. Let's say here models, and the model I'll choose is VibeCode. So let me just copy the same prompt, and I'm going to paste it here and press enter. And there you go. VibeCode is right now reading the prompt, and after that it will start creating file and writing code for us. So here you can see it's already done, and it only took 22 seconds. So right now let's go and open this. So let me just go to my folder, and I'll go to my new volume E VibeCode. Here you can see, so flappybird.html. If I just double click here, there you can see it open in the browser. I just need to keep clicking on the space button, and there you can see it is fine. So we can modify the bird design, also a lot of things. There you can see my score is 4. So it only took 22 seconds to make the game. Let's say here make the bird design more beautiful. Let's just say this, and let's also mention a color. Make the part color red and press enter. So there you can see VibeCode is really fast, and it's already done, and it only took 15 seconds. So let's go and refresh our browser. So there you can see the part color is right now red, and the design changed as well. Okay, it's quite hard to play. So there you go. So this is how you can VibeCode completely for free inside Cursor using OpenCode. So I hope this tutorial is useful, and there is no limit of how much you can use OpenCode. So yeah, I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.